behind reliable power is not just about steering machines, it's also about engineers running test after test with precision. Hi everyone, I'm Klein. Welcome back to the AGG channel. Today we are not talking about generator sets. Come with me, let's sneak a peek at AGG's testing process. Go! Oh wait, I can't get in just yet. Before we start, we have strict rules during testing. Before we start, we need to check a whole list of preparations and testing standards to make sure everything is reliable and safe. But no worry, I will take you to a control room first. Let's go. What we are looking at now is the road test. Once everything's ready, our engineers gradually increase the load from 25% to 50, 75, 100 and finally 110%. That's for the overload test. Each generator set will run for a long period where engineers closely monitor the current, voltage, frequency, oil pressure, water temperature, battery charging, and other key parameters. That's how we make sure the generator set you receive runs perfectly. Now you might wonder, with so many generator sets, how long will all this testing take? But don't worry, we've got 4 generator testing rooms from L1 to L4. Each testing room is specific to a power range, and together they cover generator sets from 10 kV ampere to 4000 kV ampere. Right now, let's head inside. Now you are looking at the Line 1 testing room. This room can test multiple generator sets at the same time, and of course, still with high standards. On top of regular tests, we also check the airflow design and cooling performance of the generator set. Both are key to the stable operation. Think that's it? Nope. Besides the standard test, we also test the multiple environment and special projects. This is our waterproof testing site. It simulates real outdoor rain from multiple angles. You can see this. And next, the noise test and the high temperature test is in another test room. So, oh yes, it's time to get off work. No relax over time. And if you are curious about more information about the environment and special test, just let us know. We will save this for next episode. Let's go.